How to optimize your VIZIO Sound Bar using the remote control. With your remote control, you can easily optimize the audio quality on your VIZIO Sound Bar. You can use the preset EQ modes to optimize the sound specifically for movies, music, video games, and dialogue. You can also fine-tune individual audio settings like bass, treble, dialogue, height, surround balance, sub-level, the center speaker output, and the levels of your surround speakers. Here's what the preset EQ modes do for you. The Movies mode will highlight the on-screen action for bigger explosions and sonic impact. The Music mode will optimize the audio for deeper bass, clearer musical details, richer vocals, and overall smoother sound. The Gaming mode emphasizes action details and the spatial placement of sound around you for a more immersive gaming experience. The Dialogue mode enhances the clarity of dialogue so it can be heard more clearly. And the Direct mode EQ delivers sound exactly as it was meant to be heard by the original content creator. Here's how to adjust audio settings on your soundbar with your remote. First, press EQ. Then use the directional pad to scroll down to the desired EQ mode. Press OK. Here's how to adjust the EQ modes on your soundbar with a non-display remote. First, press EQ on the remote and cycle through the desired mode option. The soundbar will vocally confirm the mode you've chosen, as will the LED lights on the bar. Here's how to change the audio levels on your soundbar and surround speakers. First, press Level. Then use the directional pad to scroll down to the level you want to control. Next, scroll right to increase the audio level and left to decrease. The LED display on the soundbar will indicate the level of adjustment. If you have a VIZIO 5.1 system, you can adjust the levels of your surround speakers by scrolling down to surround level. Use your remote to easily customize, optimize, and maximize the sound quality of your VIZIO soundbar and speakers, even in the dark.